All right, let's take a quick look at cleaning wheels. Now, these were old and they were definitely oxidized all over the place. First thing I did was I took them over to, I cleaned them. Then I took them over to the 3-inch grinder with the fiber wheel on it, the Harbor Freight one. And I cleaned the treads in our usual way using that little groove that comes into the fiber wheel. Now for the ends though, because these pick up power from that little end of the axle and where that touches the inside of the side frames, I'm going to show you a little trick here. You take your wire cup. Okay, you take your wire cup. This will fit right in here. And there we go. That's it. That cleans the inside of that just perfect. Now I'm going to paint, but I'm going to avoid this. We're going to put some ox guard on that later, an ox guard on these wheels in a little while. But that's for wheel cleaning. That's really important. We got to gauge them, make sure they're all engaged, and then when they are, then we can work with them. But that's really an easy way. And I took this little cut off end of 2x4, and I did a router and put some grooves in it, and that's how I can keep track of my wheels while I'm painting them and while I'm cleaning them. But getting the wheels clean is one of the first steps, and I'm going to paint them in just a minute here, and I'll show you later. We'll paint them in the usual way. I'm not sure what color yet, but we'll just take a brush and wipe around, because you don't need to paint them much, because most of it doesn't show. And we want to stay away from the parts where it contacts to pick up power.